Somebody spooked the birds. It's like a small pre-migratory roost.
Chickens. He works I'm persuaded. But he's there full time. He did something. He knew what he had.
Yeah, this guy that has the big colony has chicken farm?
I don't know what kind of.
If I go see you, I will find out. I found out 40 round forward. When I see this, I'd love to see him open up that road. Now, if you want this chair, just let me know. I'll be glad to move. Like he's carrying a bunch of weeds with him or something, don't it? Good stem, there's that stem. Building yourself out of any material you want to build. And it's going to take you about 60 miles. It takes you quite a bit of time to adjust this part here, but it's self-explanatory. This is just one page, 3-page step by step.
Culture from Shepherdsville, Kentucky. Thank you, Kent. I host a public colony. What Purple Martins need is public places. This Purple Martin site right here at the Stoll family farm, it's tucked down a secluded road where nobody really travels, and this is a real, it's not intended as a secret, but I kind of look at Victor Stoll's colony that it's sad where it's located. It's fantastic that they invite the public here and show it, but wouldn't it be great if we had more public colonies that were right out on a busy road that people could discover Purple Martins? You don't need people like us. If you can just get Purple Martins in front of people, Purple Martins will put their magic on people and catch them that way. But anyways, this sign at my Purple Martin colony, when I'm out there busy doing my job, doing my nest checks, you know, a lot of us, we want to be polite. You don't want to interrupt somebody. Well, this is permission that you can interrupt me. I want you to interrupt me. When I'm doing my nest checks, I want to show you these baby Martins. Because Martins need people, and that's the only way they're going to get people if we that love Purple Martins invite people to, hey, come over here and look at these baby birds. You're going to like this. And let Martins cast their spell. But another thing I use this sign for at my public colony, if I'm in an area where it's not really a public area, the officials there know that it's the Purple Martin guy and I won't get in trouble. So it's like, hey, it's me, it's Larry, don't bother me, I'm doing my thing. Please, for Purple Martins, share your Martins, they need people. Thanks a lot, everybody have a good day. PMCA, I wanted to bring products to sell because I knew everybody wanted a t-shirt or something. Well, it was complicated for the PMCA to give me stuff and collect money, and so they just donated some stuff. So they just gave me a handful of things. I had about, I don't know, 10 shirts, 10 Martin hats, and but anyways, I've collected all the money, and every dime that I've sold on anything is going right back to Martinfest. And I don't have the envelope right here in my pocket, but I owe you $181 from sales. So anything that y'all bought from me, your dollars is going right back to maybe pay for, you know, a little bit, but the PMCA wanted me to tell everybody how generous they want to be. You know, we want to help Purple Martin landlords, and this was just a little way they could do it. But anything I sold today goes right to Martinfest. On this center table here is where we put things. If you want to add something for the raffle, which is just to give something away, well, at 1 o'clock today, we're going to announce raffle winners. And I also wanted to acknowledge on all of the tables around here, you will see some buckets with signs for our door prize drawings. And you can put in $1 a chance. This is a raffle, that's the door prize drawings. But you can put in $1 a chance, you can put in as many chances as you want. Just don't put them on the 6 cords over there, I want those. So, but the final thing is I'd like for Steve Stoll to step up here, and he's going to say a blessing for the lunch. And again, at about 11:30 or whenever our food gets here, we'll announce just to go get in line down there and enjoy a delicious meal, and just stay and enjoy the birds. And Steve might want to add a little bit about that since this is his place now. And again, we really appreciate seeing all of you guys. It's been great. I've had a wonderful time myself, and if you have as well too, let's hear it one more time. Thank you.
Well, I'm glad to see everybody out here today. I hope you had a good time. I'm sorry that Martins are down a little this year compared to the last couple of years, but my father, he's not here to count them, so I don't have an exact count. I do know that we are down because I kept track of a couple polls particularly, and compared with his records, I'm down considerably, maybe as much as 100 pair. But I'm glad everybody's out here today, and I know most of y'all are hungry, and the food will be here just in a few minutes, so that's all right.